Saving money on a low income can feel challenging, but it's possible with a thoughtful approach and a focus on your priorities. Start by creating a realistic budget that accounts for all your essential expenses like rent, utilities, and food. Once you have a clear understanding of where your money is going, identify areas where you can cut back, even in small ways. For example, cooking at home instead of dining out, using public transportation instead of owning a car, or finding free or low cost entertainment options can all help reduce costs. Okay? So, another way to save on a low income is to prioritize needs over wants. You know what that means? This means making deliberate choices about spending. Focus on what truly matters. If possible, consider eliminating unnecessary subscriptions or memberships and look for discounts or deals when shopping for essentials. All right? Now, you can also save by setting aside a small amount of money regularly, even if it's just a few dollars at a time. Using a jar or envelope system to store your savings can help you track your progress. Automating savings, if possible, ensures that a portion of your income goes towards your savings before you have the chance to spend it. Lastly, you got to look for additional sources of income, such as freelancing or part time work or selling items that you no longer need. Every bit helps to build a financial cushion. All right? Let me know if this helped.